Hi, today in this video I will show you how to add a pin code checker to your e-commerce website. So after watching this video you will be able to add a pin code feature like this. First, go to the WordPress dashboard and hover over the plugin, and click the Add New. In the search bar search the plugin called WooCommerce Pin Code Checker. You will find the plugin. Install and active the plugin. After you will get a new option in your WordPress dashboard called zip codes. Click here and add zip code, city, and delivery days, and don't forget to After finishing that, open your website and check whether the pin code checker feature is updated or not. That's it. Thank you for watching a video. Like a video and subscribe to our channel.